We'll guide you through how to get help in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Look towards the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll find a question mark icon. This is your gateway to all kinds of help and support. Click on that icon, and you'll see several options appear. If you want to search for specific topics, use the search bar at the top of this Help Center panel. Simply type in keywords related to your issue, and you'll get a list of helpful articles and FAQs that might solve your problem right there. If you prefer a more guided approach, you can select the Help Docs option, which will take you to a comprehensive library of articles organized by category. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking for advanced tips, this section has got you covered. Now, if you're dealing with a more complex issue or need personalized assistance, you can click on the Contact Support option. This will allow you to submit a support ticket directly to ClickUp's team. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue to get the most accurate help. Additionally, you can check the ClickUp Community option, which is a great place to connect with other users and get insights and advice from people who might have faced similar challenges. Don't forget to explore the tutorials and demos available if you're interested in learning more about the platform's features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.